Renewable energies are becoming increasingly important. The share of electricity produced by such systems is growing continuously. However, the energy they generate depends on the weather and not on the energy needs of consumers. Combining conventional power stations with renewable energies and storage is a major challenge for the intelligent power networks of the future, the smart grid. Lucas Nuller training systems convey the complex interactions from the generation of energy to the distribution of energy and finally to the use of that energy. Every training station can be used autonomously, but in a smart grid they can all interoperate intelligently. Renewable energies such as photovoltaic electricity and wind energy are dependent on the weather. They produce differing amounts of electricity depending on the conditions. A pumped storage hydroelectric plant allows energy to be stored and fed to the mains when it is needed. Students can walk through the topic step by step with interactive courses and a host of experiments which are provided with every station. How such systems cope with dynamically changing loads can be investigated in the laboratory. Power generation and consumption can be coordinated by means of a smart grid. SCADA software is a key component in all this. It is used to display measurements in real time. Control signals can be modified in the midst of a process. Intelligent energy management controls both generators and loads. Dynamically changing loads and their effects can be investigated in the lab. The smart grid system includes SCADA software especially adapted for training and education purposes. The package features all these components: SCADA Designer, SCADA Logger, SCADA PLC, SCADA Panel Designer, SCADA Viewer, and SCADA Net. Power distribution is realistically emulated using double bus bars. Students can construct complicated networks to simulate modern high-voltage power distribution, involving both energy generators and loads. It is also possible to deploy protective technologies for all aspects of power engineering. The Smart Grid Set is an extensive and well-rounded training system for power engineering, featuring both conventional and renewable power sources, power distribution, and protective systems. It thus builds up to a realistic model reflecting the latest state-of-the-art. Let your education prepare you for the future with Lucas Nuller Training Systems.